Hey guys, this is Yabody Airsoft, and we haven't made a video in a while, but these are just some pretty good places to buy airsoft guns. And the first one is Air Rattle. That's how you spell it, just if you don't know how. And you can go down here to airsoft guns, and I already clicked on the electric ones, and you just pick from different brands and stuff. And there's some pretty good guns for low prices. So I pretty much recommend this website, but I don't know how good they ship because I haven't bought one from here. But if I had the chance, I would. And time to go to the other website. And the second website is airsoftstation.com. They have really good guns. Like this one, the retail price is $249.95, but their price is $189.95, so it's pretty good. And you can search guns by price or FPS, and you can just look at them. There's gas, airsoft pistols, and all the other stuff. And there's some really good guns on here, so I definitely recommend this site too. And if you have any more good sites to get airsoft guns, please just leave a comment below, and I will check them out. And yeah, you can buy BBs and everything, mags. Alright, like and subscribe.